class, it's your Seke from the Knowledge Bridge Academy. So today I'm going to be your science tutor. So throughout this lesson, we're going to be covering photosynthesis as one of the topics in biology. So at the end of this lesson, you need to know the definition of photosynthesis, the chemical word equation for photosynthesis, the conditions that are necessary for photosynthesis, and the products of photosynthesis, and so on. So, as a question, what is photosynthesis? So, as you can see, this is the chemical word equation for photosynthesis. So, to find or to define photosynthesis, you can find it in the chemical word equation for photosynthesis. So, as you can see, let us study the word equation for photosynthesis. So, it's carbon dioxide plus water to give us glucose and oxygen in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, as you can see. So, what is photosynthesis? So, this is the definition for photosynthesis. It is a process whereby green plants manufacture their carbohydrates using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to produce glucose and oxygen. So, what is photosynthesis? It's a process whereby green plants manufacture their carbohydrates using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to produce glucose and oxygen. So that's the definition for photosynthesis. Then, what are the factors that are necessary for photosynthesis? So, going back to the word equation again, all of them, those are the factors that are necessary for photosynthesis. So, as you can see, we have carbon dioxide. As you can see, we have water. As you can see, we have sunlight. As you can see, we have chlorophyll. So, this side, those are all the conditions that are necessary for photosynthesis. Then, what are the products of photosynthesis? So, in the products of photosynthesis, so these are the products of photosynthesis: glucose and oxygen. Glucose and oxygen. So those are the products of photosynthesis. So you need to know the functions of these factors: carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, chlorophyll. You also need to know the functions of the products of photosynthesis: glucose and oxygen. You also need to know how do we test for oxygen.